This car is incredibly capable. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are in a 2023 Corvette C8 with the Z51 package out here at Road America for a track test. We are powered by a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8, pushing out 495 horsepower, 470 pound-feet of torque. That's up 5 horsepower and up 5 pound-feet of torque from the performance exhaust. With the Z51, we also have MagnaRide, so we get that really beautiful and amazing polarity to the suspension and the chassis. With that Z51, we also have some additional cooling for the oil and the transmission, as well as an eLSD. So if you want to do some serious performance driving with the vehicle, whether you're pushing it hard in the canyons, but more specifically, if you're pushing it on track, you definitely want the Z51. This one is optioned out just shy of 100K, right around 98. And let's see how she drives. We've got PTM set to sport. My goodness. First impressions, this car is incredibly capable. Tremec 8-speed automatic transmission is immediate, almost, I mean, it's pretty close to PDK by Porsche. Getting a little bit of rotation there with the weight over the front tires. Really confidence-inspiring brakes. The seat is all the way down, but my head is hitting the ceiling. Corvettes are definitely, you know, they're fine for larger people. I'm not sure what's going on with my helmet on the roof right now. Not as much steering feedback as I would like in a car like this. But very direct, very immediate turn-in. Nice speed to the ratio as well. Not too darty. God, I love these brakes. Straight from factory, beautiful, confidence-inspiring. That MagnaRide is magic. Beautiful body control. And you gotta remember, this car is not that light. We're pushing 3,600 pounds on the scale, but it handles that weight very well. This car is insanely capable. And it's pretty agile. I know when the car first came out, there were a lot of complaints about understeer, but it's feeling pretty balanced, pretty neutral. What a car. What a car. Man, the transmission, all the inputs are so dialed in, the way that it just like, it does exactly what you want it to do, without much drama, without much fuss. Transmission is instantaneous, the power is immediate, has that nice naturally aspirated sound and character. In a day where more and more vehicles are turbocharged, we love that naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8. Beautiful sound, beautiful power delivery.
So I used the previous generation for a track car, many years, lots of hard miles. There isn't a better performance car for the money, and better weight balance in this car, better brakes, as you noticed, better cooling. My oil temps creep on the racetrack. This thing, you'll never see it over 220 degrees.
Oh, wow. Even after repeat lapping.
Lap after lap after lap. So they nailed the cooling on this thing. Wonderful sound. Yeah, I love these.
Yeah, having the, with the mid-engine, we not only have a slight bias to the rear, which is favorable in a lot of ways. You get more traction, right? Better with brake when you're
Better
under
brake
braking.
balance,
You're
yeah.
going to have a better balance. But even a tighter polar moment of inertia, because you don't have the weight so far over there. It's now a little bit closer to the midline.
Yep.
Corvette really knocked it out of the park. The one thing for you guys to consider is styling-wise, and, that's a big component for a vehicle decision, especially in this price point. And some people love it, some people don't. So that's something that you're going to have to decide personally. But let me know, what do you guys think of the Corvette C8 Z51? Leave a comment down below. Much love, my friends, and I'll see you guys in that next one. Dude, thanks so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Nice lap.
Thanks, dude.